Oh, just look at this. Today, we are making something that is pure comfort in a bowl, the stunning Burmese duck egg sour curry. In Myanmar, it's known as Bao Chin Yehen. That rich color is just gorgeous, isn't it?
And let me tell you, this is not your average egg curry. No way. This dish hits every single note. You've got that tang from the tamarind, a deep, savory flavor from fish sauce, and, of course, this incredible richness from those glorious duck eggs. It's a flavor combination that I promise you are not going to forget.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Asian Food Diary. I'm so glad you're here with us, where we get to unlock all these amazing stories and secrets from kitchens all across Asia.
All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are going to break down this beloved Burmese classic. We'll unlock all the secrets so you can feel totally confident making this amazing dish in your very own kitchen.
So, like with any great recipe, it all starts with the ingredients. Let's meet the cast of characters that are going to come together to create this absolute symphony of flavor.
Okay, so the stars of the show? Obviously, the duck eggs. Then we've got our aromatic base. You know, the classics: onion, garlic, and ginger. For the seasoning, it's a powerful trio. Fish sauce for that savory punch, turmeric for that gorgeous color and earthy flavor, and a little chili powder for some gentle heat. The sour part of the sour curry comes from tamarind paste. And then, for the finish, a little masala to make it beautifully fragrant.
Okay, now for the first really crucial part. How we handle the eggs is what takes this dish from just good to wow, that's amazing. And it's all about getting that perfect texture.
It's actually super simple, just 2 steps. First, you're going to hard-boil and peel the eggs. Easy enough, right? But, and this is the key, we don't stop there. The next step is to gently fry those boiled eggs until they get this beautiful golden color. And just look at what happens. Frying them creates this amazing, firm, kind of chewy skin on the outside. This is the big secret, you guys. That texture is what lets the eggs just soak up all that incredible curry sauce without completely falling apart. It is a total game changer.
Okay, our golden eggs are set aside and ready to go. Now it's time to build the heart and soul of this dish, the curry itself. And we're going to do it layer by delicious layer. So we're going to start by making a paste. Just pound together your onion, garlic, ginger, and a little bit of chili powder. A mortar and pestle is great, but a small food processor works just fine too. What you want is this super fragrant, vibrant paste. You can almost smell it through the screen, can't you? That is going to be the soul of our curry.
And this right here is a perfect example of a core technique in Burmese cooking. It's called si that. Basically, it's the art of blooming your aromatics and spices in hot oil. It's not just frying. It's this careful process that wakes them up and releases their absolute deepest flavors before you add any liquid. It's such a cool technique.
So once that paste smells amazing, in goes the fish sauce right into the hot pan. You want to hear that sizzle. Doing it this way lets the fish sauce caramelize just a little bit, and that adds this incredible savory depth you just wouldn't get if you added it later on. And now, it's all about getting the balance right. We'll add some water and then our tamarind paste. That's what gives us that signature sour or chin flavor. Then we just balance out that tanginess with a little bit of salt. You just taste as you go until it's absolutely perfect.
Okay, we are so close. The flavor base is built, our beautiful eggs are just waiting, and now it's time for the perfect finishing touch. This is what brings the whole thing together for that grand finale.
So, are you ready for one last secret? This is the one that's going to make your whole kitchen smell absolutely incredible. It's masala. But here's the trick. You don't cook it in from the start, you sprinkle it in right at the very end, just before you turn off the heat. This one little move just awakens the entire dish. It blankets everything in this warm, fragrant spice that perfumes every single bite.
And this is the sign you're looking for. You let everything simmer gently, letting those golden eggs just soak up all that flavor. And then you'll see the oil start to separate from the sauce. That's how you know it's a perfectly cooked Burmese curry. The sauce is rich, it's concentrated, and it just lovingly coats each and every egg.
And there you have it. The journey is complete. We started with a simple, humble egg, and with these really thoughtful, time-honored techniques, we've turned it into the undeniable star of a truly spectacular curry.
You know, if you had fun cooking this along with us today, it would mean so much if you'd subscribe to the channel, give this a like, and maybe leave a comment down below. It really, truly helps us keep bringing these delicious stories right to your kitchen. So that just leaves one last question for you. What's a classic Asian dish that you're curious about? Let us know in the comments what you think we should explore together next time.